Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, we're checking out this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And they have a den, as you can see here. And I figured that you guys would really love this one. This one is about 10 minutes away from Legoland. They're offering you guys $10,000 to go towards your closing costs if you guys are using their preferred lender. And then also, you guys will get all of your appliances included. So refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher, and washer and dryer. All of that is included. So I definitely love them, you guys. And this is a very open concept, so you guys will be able to see everything. They have a lot of homes that's available right now. Plus, they have a lot of homes that's going to be built soon. So if you like this one, definitely call or text me 407-374-2747. I will be happy to help you all. Now, with these homes, they have carpet in all of their bedrooms. So that is something I see a lot of buyers saying that they do want to have carpet. They do have carpet in all their bedrooms. If you guys say if you want to deal with the builder, you want to work with the builder, they said as long as they still have, the house is not being built yet, it's still just dirt, it's still basically just a lot, you can change some things in a home. So I figured you guys would love this. So call me, text me if you guys really love this, you want to look at this. And I have other homes also. You see, like Winter Haven is probably with this builder also. I haven't recorded any other ones with Winter Haven. So definitely call me, text me 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to help you. Now, this is the owner suite right here, which is very, very beautiful. This is so beautiful. And they said they have blinds included also with these homes. So I just love theirs. This is their closet. This is what your closet will look like. This is your walk-in closet here. And then also here is your bathroom. So I showed the other houses and I was wondering, like, what is they gonna put a door here? So it's actually not a door here in their bathroom. They just put their racks here. You have the double sink, his or her sinks. You have the shower. And then also you have your wet closet, which is basically your toilet in there. So it's really nice. Hi, you guys. And again, call or text me 407-374-2747 if you want to look at this. They're offering, again, a $10,000 closing cost credit. All of your appliances, washer, dryer, fridge, stove, microwave, dishwasher, everything is included. And then also, if you guys are getting like an FHA loan right now, just right now, technically it's May 7th when I'm recording this, 2023. They have the 4.9% interest rate for FHA if you're using their lender. And then also for conventional, they have the low 5% interest rate. So definitely call or text me. You have a 2-car garage here and you guys are about 10 minutes away from Legoland. So I'll be happy to help you guys with this process. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.